Greetings, food explorers. Welcome to Blog and Good Food. Today, we'll share some easy and healthy party snack ideas that are perfect for any celebration. So, let's dive right in. First up, let's talk about some healthy summer snacks to keep your guests refreshed in the heat. How about starting with some refreshing fruit kebabs? These are a great way to incorporate healthy snacks into your party. Don't forget a colorful veggie platter with a tasty dip. It's a surefire way to please the health-conscious crowd. Now, let's move on to some easy party appetizers that are quick to prepare. Mini sliders are a crowd pleaser. They are small, delicious, and perfect for guests of all ages. Stuffed mushrooms are another fantastic option. They are savory, satisfying, and can be made in advance. Every party needs some sweet treats. Let's explore some delightful options. Chocolate dipped strawberries are a timeless favorite. They are not only delicious but also visually stunning. Mini cupcakes are perfect for satisfying your guests' sweet cravings without overindulging. Cool down the party with homemade fruit popsicles. They are not only refreshing but also a healthier alternative to store-bought treats. For your vegetarian guests, let's explore some delectable meat-free party snacks that are sure to satisfy their taste buds. The spinach and feta stuffed mushrooms are a savory delight for vegetarians. They are packed with flavor and perfect for your meat-free options. Capri skewers are a simple yet elegant choice. The combination of fresh mozzarella, cherry tomatoes, and basil is a vegetarian favorite. Let's take a culinary trip around the world with some international-inspired party snacks that will add a global flair to your celebration. Mini tacos are a delicious nod to Mexican cuisine. Fill them with your favorite toppings for a fiesta of flavors. Spring rolls are a taste of Asia that everyone will enjoy. They are light, crispy, and perfect for dipping into savory sauces. And there you have it, easy and delicious party snacks ideas for your next birthday celebration. For more food inspiration and recipes, visit our website at blogandgoodfood.com. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.